Today we're going to see how Skydrive Pro can help your end users save their documents and access their documents from anywhere with any device at any time, and share them with people inside your organization that they would like them to have those documents. Skydrive Pro is a cloud storage for business. It's a place where employees can store, sync, and share their files across multiple devices with ease and security. With Skydrive Pro, you can collaborate with others in real time and edit documents from virtually anywhere via a web browser using Office web apps, accessing your files from multiple devices including your Windows Phone, your Windows 8, iOS, and even Android devices. This is a cinch with a native Skydrive Pro and Office mobile applications. So as you can see, Skydrive Pro is really something that your organization can use. Here are the 6 key points to remember when you're dealing with Skydrive Pro. This is a user-focused solution. It's not a way to migrate tons of documents from file shares or other things out there on your environment. And it's a place where users can store their documents that they care about and want that access from any of their different devices. With the new Share With Me view, you can easily find documents others have shared with you. So in other words, if you have a department or a company that wants to share folders across a certain amount of people or everybody in your environment, this new Share With Me view will allow you to see what's available to you from which one of the users. When we show you the demonstration, you'll see what I mean. Each user now gets 25 gigs of Skydrive Pro storage, and this is up from 7 gigs, and this just happened not too long ago. So this gives your people the ability to have up to 25 gigs in storage, and you're going to see later on that they'll also have 50 gigs of email, 5 gigs in a shared mailbox that you can create. So you can see in Office 365, you can start now adding up a lot of storage for your users in the cloud. Skydrive Pro, like I said, has a Pro client application that's available both in iOS, in Android, obviously in Windows 8, and all the other devices from a tablet to a phone to your laptop and to your desktop. You can even get more improvements now. They've actually increased the file size that you can share in there, so you can go up to a 2 gig file size. You can also retain your recycled documents for up to 90 days. That's up from 30 days. So you can see all of these things are to give you better access to data and better management of your cloud environment. You can now also take some space away from other things. So for instance, if you don't need a 50 gig mailbox and you want to now increase, say give 25 gigs of it to your Skydrive environment for that user, you can increase them from 25 to 50 to even 100 gigs of disk space for those people that need to share a lot of documents. So this sounds great, but is it really fast? And the answer is actually yes. With the new improvement that they made in Windows Server 2012, with the way that they now deliver NFS performance right out of the box without having to tune it, you'll see that this is fast and easy, and we'll actually demo that for you in our environment here. So Skydrive Pro, like I said, they now have applications that run in Windows 8, in iOS, and now in Android. So no matter what device your users want to use, they'll be able to access their data. Let's see how this works. Here we are at a desktop, and all I'm going to do is go over here and open up my computer. You'll see under my computer I have a Skydrive Pro, just like I'd have a regular drive, and in here I have documents, everything from comparisons to Windows 8. Down here on the bottom right, you'll see that there's a Skydrive Pro application installed, and right now it is up to date, which means that it has synchronized all of its data with the cloud. We can open the Pro folder right from here. We can sync with a new library that we pick. We can, if we made some changes, want to get them there right away, we can sync them quick. As you can see, we have all these options right here from the applications that's installed. If I take a look here at, for instance, the 4 things underneath comparisons, these are 4 different documents, a couple PowerPoint presentations and so on that are underneath comparisons. You'll also see that they actually tell you what they are. So if they're PowerPoint, if they're Word, if they're Excel, if they're in an Acrobat format, that's fine. Underneath here, if I right click, you can see that I also have a couple of ways to access Skydrive Pro up in the cloud. So I can click on go to browser, and all I got to do is type in here my username and my password. And you'll see that here in the browser, just in a sec, and go. This is actually happening as we're talking here. So you can see that I'm in the cloud, in a browser, and I have the same directory structure that I have in my client, I have here in the cloud. So I have the same Windows 8 presentation documents, but I can also, through Office 365, do Outlook, Calendar, the Office applications. You'll see that I have Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Publisher, Access, and I can run them inside a browser. Real simple, real easy. I don't even have to have Office installed on my computer to be able to run that PowerPoint presentation. I can also go in here to SkyDrive and administer this whole environment with the different shares and the different things that are out there. I can also, as you can see, highlight these things very simply, and I can even manage my data by going in here. Here, let me just click on View, and you'll see that I can go in here and see what's using my 25 gigs of disk space. Documents, settings, my recycle bin, whatever it might be is all in here. And then if I want to even drill in a little bit further, I can go here and see that under those subdirectories, I have my different documents, and everything is in a percentage type of layout. So once we do that, you can see I'm just going to shrink this down here for a second. And let's go over here to my desktop. Let's go into my documents. And I'm just going to pull a file from the documents here on my desktop. Let me just find one. Let's scroll down here, and we'll take this one. And all I'll do is copy and paste this up into SkyDrive Pro. Just real simple, real easy. And if we take a look, if we go back down here to our browser, and all I need to do is refresh this. Hold on. Let me just go here and show you, first of all, that SharePoint also is available right through this same interface. But if I go back here to SkyDrive, you'll see that that document now, and I never did anything except copy it over to that folder, is now up there in the cloud, synchronized within just a couple of seconds. And obviously, depending upon the size of file and the connectivity that you have, for instance, I'm on a workstation. But if we go here to, this is Windows 8, and you'll see that I have a SkyDrive Pro application. And boop, there's the actual document inside my Windows 8 application. Here are the same 4 files that you saw underneath comparisons that were there on my desktop. And you can see if I go in here and now delete this file from my Windows 8 app, and this could be on a tablet, phone, whatever it might be, and I go back to my desktop, I can go down to the application here and tell it to sync now, and watch what happens to the document there. It's gone. And it's gone from everywhere. In fact, if you take a look, it's out there, and it's gone from all of the different locations. I'll just go right here, and boom, it's gone. So this is what SkyDrive Pro can do for you. Thank you for seeing our demo and our presentation on SkyDrive Pro. If you need more information, please contact Champion Cloud Services at 1-800-771-7000, We're offering a free cloud assessment of your environment to see how Office 365 can help you and your end users be more productive using any device at any time from any location. And we'll even include a 30-day free trial of the full Office 365, including Skydrive Pro. Thanks and have a great day.